Mariam Lokesh आपके साथ from City 1016. In my last 30 years of radio career, very rarely it happens that a star has come not only on time, actually before time.
Yes.
The other one on City 1016, the interview was supposed to begin at 11 o'clock. You came at 10:59.
Yes.
Really, thank you so much for doing that for us, sir.
You're most welcome. Thank you.
It really means a lot to us, trust me.
Yeah.
It does. Yeah. We waited 2 hours, so this is like
Oh,
fantastic.
हिसाब बराबर.
It's a
But I know, can you imagine?
Please done
The
that for them.
unbelievable Hisab Barabar and I came late. Hisab bhi barabar hai.
So tell us, I mean, you know, I guess 2024 is pretty much your year. On one hand, you have Shaitan, a diametrically opposite character in Hisab Barabar. Do you ever like kind of sometimes wake up in the morning, look yourself in the mirror and say, I have arrived, man. I'm pretty talented. Like such a reader.
And that happens because I'm so nervous. Now the thing is, mostly I'm a good actor on screen, but I can't act off screen. I have a big problem remembering names and faces. And my wife is thoroughly embarrassed about it. So I just have a generic, how are you doing kind of face. And she's like, don't you dare. And I've embarrassed her a lot. As far as getting up in the morning and looking at myself and saying, I have arrived, I'm as far away from that as possible. Yeah, you know why? I'm not trying to be humble here because that's the last thing I am. I'm very egoistic. The problem is, I didn't want to be an actor. I didn't think I'd become a pan-Indian actor, as they call it today. I never thought I'd get my debut with Mani Ratnam. I mean, if people had said I want to get my debut with Mani, we would have laughed, right? You know. So everything बनता चला गया, you know. वो गया, फिर ये opportunity आई, फिर राजकुमार हिरानी के साथ 3 Idiots कर लिया, फिर फिल्म डायरेक्ट भी कर ली. तो मेरे लिए बड़ा अम्यूजिंग सा हो गया. अब अचानक हुआ कि you know सडनली लोग ने कहा कि आप बहुत अच्छे एक्टर हो. फिर उन्होंने सर बुलाना शुरू कर दिया. फिर उन्होंने नेशनल अवार्ड भी दे दिया. तो अब मुझे लगता है कि भाई what have I done right? Because I've just been living like an harfa maula. I've not pathed or guided myself कि मुझे ये करना है. I've never been those workout kind of guys, you know, who want to hone my skills in dancing or acting. कोई वो हो गया. Now that nervousness has set in.
Yeah.
कि ऐसा कुछ मत कर दे कि यार जो by chance नाम बना है वो बर्बाद ना हो जाए. So every day I go on to the set. I'm telling you, Lokesh, I'm not even lying, Mariam. Be it this one, but especially a film set or a project set. And the first shot, I keep thinking that मैंने first shot तो दे दिया, पर मेरे assistant एक दूसरे के साथ बात कर रहे हैं कि भाई इसका तो काम खत्म हो गया, अब इसको acting आते नहीं, ये ham कर रहा है. I'm telling you, I feel naked. And on a set that I'm shooting with them on the very first day of shoot, it is still easier.
Yeah.
But sometimes you go to a set कि आपने heroine के साथ 15 दिन shoot कर लिया है, everybody has become friends, they're all hugging each other, and then the hero comes and they go, oh, Madison हो गए. And that day, तो nervousness is completely different. So I look at myself in the morning and I'm like, क्यों कर रहा है ये? अबे थोपड़ा देख तेरा तो इतना बुड्ढा हो गया, तो what are you doing? So you know, and then I look at it and I say, यार क्या कर रहा है? What you know, you've not made it, and I hope you don't ruin what you made. But I go on the set and I go out and meet people and I meet the common man. And he looks at me, and the love that he has for me is the only thing that gives my confidence. Yeah, that is big.
No, I mean, that's what I'm saying. What a range from Shaitan to Hisab Barabar. Diametrically opposite characters, and you're unrecognizable in both the characters. You can't tell this is
Yeah.
the same Madhavan in both the characters.
Yeah, I'm nervous about that now because, you know, it's so different, right? But
The fact that you said you're still nervous, even after all these years, do you seek some sort of validation that you go back and think, agar ye nahi hua na, I don't think I've done a good job, or I don't think it worked for people. Do you still seek, after all these years when you know people will love you, no matter what, do you still seek some sort of validation after each movie or each project?
it's a very good question, Mariam. So if you ask me what I've learned is that the greatest legends, the greatest actors, the most awarded Filmfare actors or whatever are all forgotten. My son doesn't know who Dilip Kumar is or who, you know, and I know that'll happen to me also. It's, you know, you want to live with a fantasy that you'll be remembered eternally, but you don't. And I don't want the fact that I want to create a legacy for myself get in the way of my ability to do things right now. So, yes, I feel nervous, but I feel that if every day counts as something that I have done some. So, you know what I pray? So, I'll tell you a secret, right? So, when I go to the set, there's a Bhagwan ka Murti, you know, kept outside, a place to worship, right? So, I go there and I pray, and I don't pray कि बहुत बड़ी hit हो जाए या कुछ भी हो जाए. My prayer is, let me see one expression on my face that I've never seen before on camera.
Nice.
And if I'm able to do that, I'm the happiest person that evening. I'm sure you all do it too. You know, like you're doing the same thing over and over again. And suddenly you'll find an act, a guest or something, and you will surprise yourself
Yes.
with what the question you asked him spontaneously, and then you come back home saying, "I'm still got it." Yeah. That's for me the most rewarding.
Nice.
Hisab Barabar, you playing the TT in the film. You know, when I was watching trailer of the film, it reminded me a lot of memories. We used to like take trains as
I know. Yeah.
and there were times when we wouldn't really get tickets, and then one of the family members had to go and hide themselves in the bathroom. Place he was come. Do you have any of those memories?
So many memories. Luckily, one of the films I've done on trains have become big hits. But everything from sleeping in unreserved compartments to sharing berths with somebody. But I tell you the most romantic experience.
Yes, please.
I was in NCC, like as a National Cadet Corps. I had my Pittu pouch, and I was traveling from Nasik back to my town, and I got the berth, which is in front of the woman's berth. Yeah? That hota tha, like the last one at the door, because only ladies used to stay in there, right? So I remember the lady berth was there, and I was sitting on the berth, and there was a very pretty girl inside, and she was sitting by the window. So मैं तो फौजी है, वो देख रहा हूँ यार, को अच्छी लड़की है, and उन्होंने भी देखा. फिर मुझे नहीं समझ आया कि वो मुझे प्यार से देख रही है या सोच रही कि लफांगा क्या देख रहा है मुझे. तो मैं बाकी लोगों के साथ एंगेज कर रहा था. आई डिडंट नो व्हाट, एंड सडनली देयर वाज अनदर लेडी हु हैड अ बेबी. ओके. And so this girl took the baby in her hands and she started playing with the baby. And then she looked at me and I was looking at her. So she looked at me and she goes and she kisses the baby looking at me.
It's pretty dead.
Oh, I'll never forget these moments. They're fabulous.
Don't tell him the TT appeared at that point in time and asked you for the ticket number.
Yeah, no. नहीं. I mean, then the kind of खातिरदारी I did for the ladies. या पानी ले आया, fruits ले आया, सब कुछ किया मैंने.
Number मिला?
नंबर उस वक्त नंबर नहीं हुआ करते थे. You know what I'm saying? हम उस generation से हैं जहाँ पे phone भी नहीं.
My bad. But speaking of your character in Hisab Barabar, there's a very fine line between doing something very morally right. And I know your character is going through a personal loss also while doing something very big for the society. How does your character kind of justify each move if he's also going through that personal loss? How do you justify it?
Mariam, so this film has three aspects to it. One is, like all of us, we get our messages today कि आपका ये gas का OTP आ गया और आपका, and he said कि I had never ordered for the gas और आपका motorcycle ठीक हो गया, ये OTP है. And you realize you get these messages and you just want to ignore them because you don't want to think it's a fraud.
Correct.
The bank sends you a message saying 6 rupees 80 paise has been added to your interest, or 3 rupees 50 paise has been deducted. And it's such a small amount, you don't want to talk to the bank.
Yeah.
But earlier on, you remember, we used to have fast books. So we knew exactly what amount of money was there in my account.
Yeah.
The last coin.
The last coin, right? Now I'm very sure you have no clue because you would have seen one amount in the morning and by evening it's a different amount. And I kept getting these messages and I felt I'm not in control. And I don't want to call them for 6 rupees 50 paisa because it looks like, kya kar raha hai?
Correct.
But these are the small amounts that add up to your insecurity, and this is what this guy figures out. So he's a common man, wanted to be an accountant. He loves numbers and accounting and tallying, but he couldn't become one because his father died untimely. So he's got the a TT job. But there in the platform, he takes care of everybody's tax filing, he takes care of everybody's accounting, and he teaches kids accounting. Till he notices one day that there's a discrepancy. उसके अकाउंट में 27 रुपये 50 पैसे का टैली नहीं हो रहा है. मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ घोटाला है, टैली नहीं हो रहा है. तो वो बैंक चला जाता है एंड इससे कि भाई मेरे को ये बताओ कि
क्या चीज़?
मैं गलत हूँ या कोई ग्लिच है. और वो बैंक वाले नहीं समझा पाते हैं एंड सो 3-4 बार जाते हैं एंड दे एंड अप इंसल्टिंग हिम. ये पागल है यार. प्यून गिव्स हिम 50 रुपीज़ कि भाई आप जाओ ना यार, आपको 27-50 की तुम 4 बार देवाऊंगा. अच्छा एंड इस 1 मिनट यार, मैं अगर कोई चेक देता हूँ और उस चेक में 25 पैसे कम होते हैं तो सर वो चेक बाउंस कर देते हो. मेरा यहाँ 27 रुपये 50 का अकाउंट पूछ रहा हूँ एंड यू आर इंसल्टिंग मी. एंड हाउ ही गोज एंड डीप डाइव्स इनटू व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एंड ends up bringing down the entire financial system. And the third aspect is, people far underestimate the power of the common man. His requirements are very small. I mean, your father, my father, कि पढ़ाई करो, शादी कर लो, अच्छी बीवी मिल जाए, फिर बच्चों को पढ़ाई कराओ, फिर उनको बेटी को अच्छी तरह से शादी करा दो, सेटल कर दो, बेटा अच्छा धंधे पे लग जाए, खुद के धंधे पे लग जाए या किसी और पे, फिर वो उनके साथ बेटे के साथ या बेटी के साथ सेटल हो जाएं, अपने वर्शिप करे। इससे ज़्यादा उसका कोई सपना नहीं होता है कि बरादरी में इज्जत रहे, पैसे रहे, मेडिकल कोई इमरजेंसी नहीं आए। But history has been, a testimony to the fact that when the common man's dream gets interfered upon by the hukumat, by the government or the rulers, then he brings down great dynasties. It happens in the Roman Empire, it's happened in the Russians, the French, till today. And you don't want to mess with the common man because the moment he gets affected,
Yeah.
he will bring you down. He comes on with the force of God with
Yeah.
him. And that's what is there as part of the story.
Yeah.
So when that happens, he doesn't look at personal losses at that time.
Right.
You know, when push comes to a shove and they say, "हाँ कि सर पे कफन बांध लिया," फिर आपको ना sacrifices नजर नहीं आते, फिर आप बढ़िया तो, they have nothing to lose. Yeah.
But it's unfortunate because your character, I mean, we can see that also goes to jail.
Yep.
Even though you're trying to do the right thing at the end of the day. So it's unfortunate that a common man has to go.
When a soldier goes to war and he gives his life for his country,
Yeah.
he doesn't think he's giving his life for the country.
Yeah.
He thinks he's defending the honor of his regiment or his unit.
Correct.
There's a bigger mission.
It's a
Yeah.
bigger, his smaller mission becomes part of a bigger achievement.
True.
He doesn't think he's protecting the country. He's thinking, मैंने अपनी unit की इज्जत बचाई है. People doing great jobs don't think they're making a great sacrifice. They're saying, मेरे को ये चाहिए था और मैंने ये किया, इसकी वजह से society benefit की, thanks a lot, but मेरा वो इरादा नहीं था.
Fair. Nice. Go ahead.
Unless you're Bhagat Singh or Mahatma Gandhi. Yeah.
We'll wrap up with a couple of Hisab Barabar situations.
Jeez. Please don't ask me numbers. I'm 10 at
No, Manny. Just a couple of life situations, and you tell us whether it is cool Hisab Barabar or uncool Hisab.
Yeah.
A vegetarian friend goes out with non-vegetarian friends, but when the bill comes, the non-vegetarian friends say that it should be equally split, but the vegetarian friends has eaten only like 3 leaves and 2 paneer pieces. Is that Hisab Barabar?
It is Hisab Barabar because it doesn't matter what you eat. The key word here is friends.
Okay.
क्या line बोला मैंने? हाँ.
Okay, if you've lent
If you go for a business deal, then you better pay for your own.
with friends, it's Hisab Barabar. But if you've lent money to a friend, and that friend
Yeah, exactly.
has forgotten to give it back to you,
Mariam,
despite like multiple reminders,
He doesn't even carry cash. I don't know what you're talking about.
and if they deny that you are not even giving cash, as case may be, what is it, Hisab Barabar or is it?
for you, it is Hisab Barabar because when you give money to friends, it's a rand. No, not what I'm saying. I'm giving you a piece of advice, which my parents gave me. When you give money to somebody, you're giving it away.
Okay, Rava.
Yeah. If you're lending money to friends, you're helping him, but you're losing the friend. Don't expect it back.
नहीं आ रहा मतलब ऐसा मेरा
We do a show together. We have to stay friends. We love each other.
Yeah, well, if you owe him money, you better love him.
No, I do. I do love him any which ways.
You owe him money also?
No.
I thought.
Sure.
He's a good actor.
We want to do Hisab Barabar with the internet. There are a lot of facts, which out of which I think a few of them could be wrong. Okay, so you've got to do Hisab Barabar and tell us whether that's right or wrong.
Done.
Wanted to join the army. I know you've mentioned it, so this might be right. Went for training to England, but missed the age cutoff for the army by just 6 months.
No. I trained with the NCC, with the Royal, the Navy, Army and Air Force. I missed a cutoff for joining the Air Force.
Air Force. Okay. Wanted to join. Wanted to be a pilot, but missed the age cutoff.
That's true.
That's true. A fan once gifted you a life-sized statue.
Hisab Barabar.
Okay. And the last one, you are into space as well. So you represented India at the Cannes Festival to discuss the advancements in Indian space research.
Not
No,
true.
there's like a proper article on this, by the way. I didn't.
No, I went there to talk about rocketry, and this was a spill-off of that.
Okay.
I didn't go there for this.
हिसाब बराबर हो गया भाई. Stop.
I always lovely chatting up with you.
Thank you.
Now I'm just thinking that, is there ever a moment that you've been arrogant as a star? Like, have you ever, I just last question, have you ever felt arrogant as a star?
Yeah.
Humble guys.
No. Well, yeah, I have my flaws. And sometimes when I need to show my star power, I've done it and regretted it also. No, like for example, I hate to break a queue at the airport, or I mean, if I paid for a special service and they take me ahead, it's fine. But sometimes they they won't oblige you and they say "Aajo," and I never break all those kind of things. But sometimes I've seen a man misbehave with a girl because she's a fan of mine, and he's he's like, "Arey, theek hai yaar, ye log aise hi hote hain," and I backed him. So I've done things like that.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that. Yes, up.
Yeah. Likewise. Thanks, Lokesh.